everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe. So in this video we are going to see the solution of chapter number 19, A Seed Tells a Farmer's Story. So in this video we are going to see the solution from question number 6. So question number 6 is answer the following questions. Number 1. What is Deshi Undhyu Umbadiyu? Answer. Fresh vegetables are put into a clay pot along with fresh spices. The pot is sealed well and kept upside down between hot coals. The vegetables are cooked slowly in this special cooker. The mixed vegetables, which is prepared in a special way with specific spices, is known as Deshi Undhyu Umbadiyu. Next, question number 2. Which vegetables are used to prepare Undhyu Umbadiyu? Answer. Potatoes, brinjals, tomatoes, carrots, small brinjals, capsicum, coriander leaves, ginger, sweet potatoes, purple yam, and surti beans are used to prepare Undhyu Umbadiyu. Next, question number 3. Which facilities has Hasmukh got from farming? Answer. Hasmukh made a lot of money from farming. He rebuilt the old house. He bought new machines for farming. He used an electric motor to pump water. He bought a motorcycle to go to the city easily and also a tractor to plow the field. Next, question number 4. Whatever happened with Hasmukh, who farmed with modern techniques, is not really progress. Why? Explain. Answer. Hasmukh got a good crop due to modern farming methods, hybrid seeds, excessive use of chemical fertilizer and pesticides in the beginning. Hasmukh profited also due to all this. But in the long run, the fertility of the soil started reducing due to all this. So, crop production reduced. As a result, the earning from farming also decreased. A loan had to be taken to pay the electricity bill, bank loan, and other expenses. Thus, instead of progress, they started digressing and making losses. Moreover, due to modern methods, the bullocks became useless. People working in fields became unemployed. Next, number 5. Write down the advantages of farming with the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Answer. Point number 1. Plants get immediate nutrition due to the use of chemical fertilizers. The crop plants develop and grow well. Number 2. The produce obtained from the farmland is very good. Number 3. Pesticides destroy the insects that harm crops so that the crops do not suffer any such harm. Thus, the produce increases. Number 4. Income obtained from farming increases. Next, question number 6. Write down the disadvantages of farming with the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Answer. Point number 1. Due to the continued and excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, the soil loses its fertility in the long run. Point number 2. The income obtained from farming decreases gradually. Point number 3. The land lacks nutrition in the long run and crop produce decrease in the long run. Point number 4. Pesticides dissolve in rainwater and pollute land and water. Question number 7. Write the benefits of organic farming. Answer. Organic farming is the long-lasting farming that which is done without chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and hybrid seeds. Advantages. Point number 1, the physical, chemical, and the biological condition of the soil improves. Point number 2, the fertility of crop remains intact. Point number 3, moisture is retained in the soil. Point number 4, the plow goes deep into the soil. Point number 5, since the furrows are deep, water can be stopped from flowing away. Point number 6, the constitution of the alkaline in ground is retained. Point number 7, since the quality and quantity of produce is excellent, it fetches good prices at the market. Next, question number 8, what would happen if all the farmers sow only one kind of seed and grow only one kind of crop? Answer. There will be a lot of problem if all the farmers were to use only one kind of seeds and grow only one kind of crop. For example, point number 1, people would not get different things to eat. Point number 2, all of us would get to eat things made from only one grain, due to which we would stop liking them. Point number 3, farmers also would not get good prices for their produce. Point number 4, this is because when production is more, cost is less. Point number 5, food is necessary for sustaining life. So, if such a situation arises, people will stop liking their food. Next, question number 7, answer as asked. Number 1, what is the place where the crop grows and ripens on a plant known as ripe ed? So in the first column we have name of the plant, in the second column we have to write name of the crop part. Number 1, wheat plant, answer is spike or head. Number 2, bajra plant, answer is ear. Number 3, jowar plant, answer is ear. Number 4, cotton plant, answer is pod. Next, number 2, name the food items that can be made from wheat and bajra. So first we have wheat. So things that can be made from wheat are rotis, shira, lapsi, puris. Then we have bajra. So things that can be made from bajra are vada, rotlas, thebras, cooler. Next, number 3, make a list of the cereals, vegetables, pulses that are grown in your area. Of those, is there anything grown that is famous in the nearby region? Various types of cereals, pulses and vegetables are grown in my area. They are as follows. First, cereals: wheat, bajra, jowar, maize. Next, pulses: green gram, tuver, gram, amarnath beans, amaranth beans, choli, mud. Next is vegetables: potatoes, brinjals, cabbage, cauliflower, tomatoes. Next, famous things: kesar mangoes, strawberries, Alfonso mangoes. Next, question number 8, classify the following tools into traditional and modern tools used for farming. So tools are plow, tractor, weeding implement, chawad, harvester, flatboard, rake, spade, thresher, hoe, cultivator, sickle. So tools for traditional farming are as follows: plow, weeding implement, flatboard, spade, hoe, sickle. Next is tools for modern farming are as follows: tractor, shower, harvester, rake, thresher, cultivator. Next, we have activity. Collect reports about farming and the farmers from the newspaper. Paste them in the space given below. Discuss them. So here you have to find out the news regarding the farming and farmers, and you have to collect the pictures from the newspaper. Then you have to stick in the given space. Next, we have HOTS questions. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter in the box provided against each question. Number 1. What did Damji Bhai himself make to store and protect seeds of the new year? Options: A. A tin trunk, B. A storehouse, C. A strong wooden box, D. A hut of mud. Answer is C. A strong wooden box. Number 2. In Gujarat, in which month do farmers start sowing? Options: A. Kartik, B. Ashad, C. Shravan, D. Posh. Answer is B. Ashad. Number 3. Which of the following is a festival associated with farming? Options: A. Samvatsari, B. Raksha Bandhan, C. Janmashtami, D. Pongal. Answer is D. Pongal. Number 4. What happened to Hasmukh Bhai's farmland due to modern changes in farming? Options: A. The fertility of the land increased, B. The land had to be sold, C. The ability of the land to give a good crop decreased, D. The land started producing good quality crops. Answer is C. The ability of the land to give a good crop decreased. So here we complete the solution of this chapter. If you have any doubt, query or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in the next video with a new chapter. Till then, bye bye. Take care.